Hi and welcome to the channel. I'm Michael Sapper and today we're going to be showing you a bowl that I recently made from recycled skateboard decks. A huge thank you to Cindy who provided the deck tails for this project. These recycled decks were made from laminated hard maple, which includes random coloring in the layers. Personally, this project was a trip down memory lane for me due to my huge interest in skateboarding during my teenage years. If you stick around towards the end of the video, I inserted some very classic pictures, some of a suspect quality, but back then we mostly used cheap point-and-shoot cameras we bought at the drugstore. This is actually even before the better quality 35mm disposable cameras. If you like what you see in the video, please consider subscribing to the channel and let us know what you think by making a comment below, both of which really help us gain exposure within the YouTube community. Thanks.